Hello guys, welcome to the second part of the horror mask creation. Here I am trying to make the mask light to bake the texture. Here I am trying to bake the texture, roughness and color map. And in image editor I choose the new image, and in cycle I go to baking option and doing the baking. I bake the roughness as a diffuse map, and here I am creating folders. Yeah, it's bake and I save the image in proper folder. Now I am baking the color map. It's taking time. Yeah, it's baked. Now I save the image. Now I decided to do a render, but now I decided to work more in texturing and smoothing the texture here. Here I am doing some manual texturing. Save the image. Now I paint the roughness properly with the water effect. Now I exporting the necessary file to deliver my client. Now I decided to do a render, setting the stage and doing the light. I am doing this in cycle mode. Here I click the render. And it's rendering. Rendering is almost complete, and this is my process to create horror marks. and I hope you guys like it. And yeah, for more video follow me, and yeah, see the render, and I catch you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.